Hey guys, welcome to my channel Life on Earth. This is Jeevan. Welcome to another sports vlog. So today we are going to see a few more deceptive tricks and shots for an amateur or an intermediate player. We'll see how to do a deceptive serve return, forehand drop or slice, backhand drop, backhand deceptive drop, backhand smash, receive, and then backhand deceptive receive. So let's start with the deceptive service return. I have a couple of clips to show a deceptive service return from both sides. Keep your racket flexible in your hand, use your wrist and elbow to do the deception. Never decide to do the deception even before the service is done. Always be ready to do the tricky return only if you receive the shuttle in a comfortable position. You can see here that since I have moved towards my right side, the opponent player also trying to reach towards my side, but my wrist was pointing to the other side. Let's go to the next one. We will see the forehand drop or slice. So whenever you get a high serve or a clear shot, you always have an option to drop it near the net. But make sure your drop is not much above the net. Always try to place where the opponent is not near the net. Let your action of moving towards the shuttle and playing the shuttle look as if you're going to make a clear shot. But you need to control the outcome and make a sweet drop near the net. And the next thing that we're going to see is all about backhand. So backhand is a weak area for most of the amateurs or intermediate players. So one cannot play a good match without having a basic backhand skill. So one of the easiest way to improve your backhand is wall practice. So you can do a lot of wall practice in backhand to improve the power. And one more important thing in backhand is timing. So you need to have a perfect timing for taking the backhand drop or a backhand lift. The next one is the backhand deceptive drop. This is kind of a surprise drop for the opponent, but learning this technique is very difficult. So this can be used as a backup in case if we are not able to reach the shuttle on time. The next one is backhand smash receive and deceptive receive. So once you learn to receive the backhand drops and lifts, Now you can show a variation by adding few surprise deceptive shots in your game. We can start reading the opponent's game pattern. We can understand the strong and weak areas of the opponent, and then we can start switching between drops and lifting the shuttle in different places based on the analysis that we can do on the fly. You can continue to watch few more variations in both receiving and placing the shuttle. This video is a little bit lengthy, but please do watch when you're free and learn to do the drop and lift with backhand. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you have learned some more techniques today. Thanks for watching all my sports vlogs so far. Please do share it to all your badminton friends and especially those who are interested to learn badminton. And thanks for all your support so far, guys. See you all soon in my next video.